Hello kids. Let's learn 20 amazing letter from letter S. Can you say them with me? Let's go. It is something we wear on our feet. What is this? Shoes. Can you say it? Shoes. S is for shoes. What is this? Snail. Can you say it? Snail. S is for snail. It is a sea animal with a hard shell. What is this? Shell. Can you say it? Shell. S is for shell. It is a long reptile that crawls on the ground. What is this? Snake. Can you say it? Snake. S is for snake. It is a farm animal that gives us wool. What is this? Sheep. Can you say it? Sheep. S is for sheep. What is this? Snowman. Can you say it? Snowman. S is for snowman. It is a place where we study. What is this? School. Can you say it? School. S is for school. Snail. It is a cold white thing that falls in winter. What is this? Snow. Can you say it? Snow. S is for snow. It is a place where we swim. What is this? Swimming pool. Can you say it? Swimming pool. S is for swimming pool. It is a place where we sit and relax. What is this? Sofa. Can you say it? Sofa. S is for sofa. It is a bird that swims in water. What is this? Swan. Can you say it? Swan. S is for swan. It is a tasty cone snack. What is this? Samosa. Can you say it? Samosa. S is for samosa. It is something we use to eat soup. What is this? Spoon. Can you say it? Spoon. S is for spoon. It is a place with sand and water. What is this? Sea. Can you say it? Sea. S is for sea. It shines in the sky at night. What is this? Star. Can you say it? Star. S is for star. It is a bright star that gives us light in the day. What is this? Sun. Can you say it? Sun. S is for sun. It is a tool used to cut things. What is this? Scissors. Can you say it? Scissors. S is for scissors. It is something we use to clean our body. What is this? Soap. Can you say it? Soap. S is for soap. It is a tool used to sweep the floor. What is this? Sweeper. Can you say it? Sweeper. S is for sweeper. It is the area outside the earth. What is this? Space. Can you say it? Space. S is for space. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter T.